one of the anecdotes, which to me symbolizes this place, the RC, that I always look back on, was fairly recent. It was a couple of years ago at the commencement, probably there. And we give away these pseudo diplomas, these little pieces of paper that are wrapped up with a ribbon, so that every student feels, they have a kind of something, but it means nothing. Right? I don't even know if there's anything written on these things. I don't know if they have to trade them in for the real diploma, but it's just this thing you get, kind of like a souvenir.
Right.
But it means nothing. And so you don't have to worry about alphabetical order and so on. And Charlie was kind of handing them out as students are being called up and they're giving their little talk. And almost to himself, I mean, it was barely audible, he noticed that there were about 15 more students to come, and he only had 2 more little pseudo diplomas. And before he could even get the sentence finished, out of the audience comes flying 40 or 50 or 60 of these diplomas, just boom, just like there's a need, boom, here they are. And a small thing, but one of my proudest moments in terms of feeling like what a cool place this is, that this sort of thing would happen naturally and automatically.